Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking, guys. So today I'm gonna make some stew peas. So guys, I'm washing the beans, guys, but look how dirty the water is. So make sure when when you're gonna cook peas, guys, make sure you wash the peas before you cook it, guys, because the water is dirty, guys. These things go through different procedure to bring so that it can come to the supermarket. So everything that you buy, guys, once it is washable, wash it, guys. So look at this. So I'm gonna make some stew peas, guys, and so I'm washing my beans. So guys, I'm gonna throw off this water and I'm gonna add another set of water until the beans is completely clean, guys. See how dirty the water is, guys? So make sure you wash your beans before you cook it, alright? Yes, guys, so you can see the bean. I'm washing it a second time and the water is still dirty, guys. So you have to keep washing your bean until the water is completely clear. To tell you that the bean is clean, so the water is still dirty. So I'm gonna wash it another time. Yes, guys, so right here I'm gonna make some jollof rice for Black History Month, guys. So this is garlic, onion, scallion, and thyme, and tomato and sweet pepper, guys. So guys, I'm gonna put all of these fresh season in my food processor and I'm gonna puree it out, guys, to make my jollof rice. This is my first time making jollof rice, guys, so I just follow this. My garlic, my onion, my scallion, and in here, guys, I'm making some peas. The peas I'm boiling to make my stew peas. So I'm gonna make some veggie chunks stew peas, guys. I'm not cooking the stew peas, guys. My brother-in-law is gonna cook the stew peas. So guys, I'm only videoing it and I'm doing a voiceover, guys. So right here, guys, some coconut milk that I blend, and I'm gonna use this also in the jollof rice. So here I'm putting my fresh seasoning in the pot to make the jollof rice, and here I'm adding some coconut milk. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. And here I'm blending all the blend of product, guys. This seasoning that I have been the food processor, I'm done pouring it into the pot with the coconut milk. And I have some powder season with some turmeric for make the color more brighter, guys. So you could use whatever powder season you want to make your jollof rice, guys. I use Maggi and few other powder season. I don't use salt because all these powder season have salt already. So right here, guys, that's this. I'm putting some oil. I'm not a fan of oil, but I see this is what the girls use online to cook the jollof rice. So I had some oil, and here go my beans still cooking. I'm stirring it to make sure everything combined, and there goes the jollof, the seasoning, the fresh seasoning, tomato, and all those stuff, the guys boiling. So I'm getting this boiling, and here's my white rice, guys. I'm gonna use white rice. So I'm washing my rice, guys. Please, guys, if you're cooking rice, wash your rice before you cook it, guys. So I wash my rice at least 2 times before I put it in the pot. And if I wash it the second time and it's not fully washed, it don't look, the water is not clear enough to me, I wash it again. So guys, here goes the rice. I'm putting the rice into my pot, guys. This is a huge pot of rice. It's not gonna be eaten home. I'm gonna take it to my church for lunch, guys. They asked me to make jollof rice to Black History Month. I never make it before, but I'm trying, guys. I follow the instruction that I see online. I might not follow it to the T, but I try to come as close as possible to this, guys. Pray that it doesn't get burnt, but I'm gonna let it boil up, stir it up, and turn down the stove, make the rice steam. So guys, this is my veggie chunks that I soak overnight, and now I put it on the stove to boil to get it softer for the stew peas, guys. So there you go, guys. I'm boiling it, guys, and there go my brother-in-law is cutting up some fresh seasoned celery, scallion, sweet pepper, thyme, and onion and garlic for the stew peas, guys. So this is what we're gonna put in the stew peas. I'm not cooking the stew peas, my brother-in-law is cooking the stew peas. Here go the peas, guys. The peas is done. They would finish cooking the peas. The veggie chunk is finished cooked, so we're gonna combine everything together in a huge pot because we need at least a full pan to take to the church, guys. There goes the rice. After it was finished cooked, the color that we get from it, guys. So I put it in my baking dish. Well, I'm keeping some of the rice home, so that's one for us. And this is a pot of rice, guys. It came out so beautiful. It came out pretty good, you know, guys. It was very nice, you know. So now I'm stirring up the rice to make sure that everything from the bottom come to the top, so that everything can evenly cook, guys. I didn't expect this rice to come out so good, but it came out pretty good, you know. And here goes my brother-in-law pouring all the veggie chunks into the beans that we just cooked, guys, to make the stew peas. Yes, guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share, and put your notification bell on, so whenever time I upload a video, you will receive the video, guys. Sorry for the voiceover, but some of my videos I won't be able to talk in them, so I just video if someone else is helping me to cook, so I'll just video and do the voiceover. So right here, my brother-in-law is stirring in the veggie chunks, guys. So because this is a huge pot of stew peas, my brother-in-law is giving me a hand. So he's better at cooking stew peas. So right here, guys, he's putting more beans in the pot because we didn't want to overflow the pot. But the pot is big enough to hold all the beans that we cook. So we emptied everything in the pot. Here we go, guys. We are putting some more beans in the pot. So we're doing a small process, so we don't overload the pot and make, the beans run over. So here my brother-in-law putting some dumpling, which then call spinners in Jamaica. So they're putting some spinners in the dumpling, guys, in the stew peas, guys. There, you can't cook stew peas without putting some spinners. So here go my brother-in-law putting the fresh seasoning into the stew peas, guys. The stew peas, they come out very good because, he well seasoned it up, and he put a lot of fresh seasoning in it. So now he's stirring all the seasoning in, the fresh seasoning into the stew peas. And there go, put in some salt-free powder season, some black pepper, and some garlic powder, guys, and some Maggi powder seasoning. You already cooked the peas down with some Maggi powder seasoning, so for flavor also, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share, and take care of yourself until next time when we cook another big pot of food for church. Enjoy yourself, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Here go my brother-in-law stirring in all the seasoning into the stew peas to make sure it doesn't burn, guys. So he's just stirring it up, so everything. And there goes the rice. I keep some of the rice home for myself, so that's a big pan of rice that's gonna go to my church. And there goes the stew peas, guys. It came out very good. Everything came out good, guys. Even it was a large batch. So please comment, subscribe, and share, and take care of yourself. Until next time, walk good. Take care of yourself.